Okay, this is the about us page. You can write your story here, stories that represent your brand, stories that tell stories about what you do, the products you deliver on a daily basis. Okay, you can add pictures as well. Education aspect, workplace, you need to see your business. Create stunning websites without any form of coding skills. With Wix is the ultimate website builder for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and creatives. And small businesses we're talking about are hair vendors, creators, artists, real estate personnel, business owners. Okay, so with Wix you can choose from hundreds of templates. Find the perfect design for your website. Drag and drop editor, easily customizable, is mobile friendly, is SEO customization is perfect. It can even go ahead and do e-commerce integration. Okay, when it comes to build your dream website in minutes. Okay, create as much mobile friendly as possible. It does not require any form of coding. Okay, even the e-commerce aspect is taken care of. The upside is that you easily create your website within minutes, within as much as 5 to 10 minutes you're done if you're very good. Okay, but then the downside is that it does not come with a custom domain. You have to eventually pay for your own custom domain. But for the free aspect of Wix, is going to be your name or whatever your business name is .wix site. Okay, it has that Wix attachment at the end of it. So let's dive in and start creating a perfect, lovely website for your business. So come along with me. First of all, you go to the login section and click on login. You can log in with your Facebook account or your Gmail account. Okay, so let's be as fast as possible. So once you're in here, once you've registered, as you can see it's all in here. All sites, explore. If you want app market, you can see courses, you can see inspiring websites. Once you can take some inspiration from. Okay, you can hire a professional if you're not good enough. You can hire a professional from Wix. You can even chat us up if you want me to design such for you. Okay, if you want to now do the rest of the work, you go to create new site. Once you create new site, you click on create new site. The work is on. You can equally go ahead and click on here, create your first site. You are on your way to creating your first professional website. Let's look at other aspects of it. Okay, we've seen this stuff before. Hire a professional, get inspired. Can't find your site. Okay, so let's explore first before we now create a new site. Maybe from here we'll now create the site of our choice. Okay, you can use any of these templates to design the website that you want. If you use this one, you end up maybe creating from scratch. If your website has to do with creatives, has to do with fashion, you can use any of these nice looking templates. Okay, let's get through. Let's view some of the templates. This one has to do with fashion. So let's take a look at it. I just hope network will be on our side. Okay, it has come up. As you can see, it's very fine. It's a very fine e-commerce ready type of website. Okay, this is lovely. This is just beautiful. You can even go ahead and attach your social media handle. Okay, even it has newsletter and the rest of them. Okay, there are other aspects of it, and even let's chat. There are other ones. So this one is a baby Malco wall shop. So you can use these templates to set up your website within minutes, within 5 to 10 minutes you're done doing a whole lot of editing. So this is more of a baby website. Maybe you want to be selling baby wears, baby attire, baby bed, all sorts of things that has to do with a baby, okay? Even interior decoration materials. Okay, this is the menu. So let's go to other aspects so we can get on and set up a very wonderful, a very nice website. So let's just take a look at one more sample. So time shouldn't just pass us by. So let's take a look at one more sample. So let's check. Okay, this is for people that are into chef business. Okay, this is a very, very nice website. Okay, very nice website. It has about page, it has education, it has workplace, it has news, it has allergies, and equally has contact. This very website, you can easily use it to set up your work. As you can see, it's very friendly looking. A whole lot of things come in place. A whole lot of things. Okay, using WIX. So let's use this as our example. So if you are to use this as your example, all you have to do is just like what we've seen earlier, create website is equally here. But this time around, if you now click on create website here, that means you're adapting this this clever chef's template as your website template. So let me click on it so we can carry on with the work. So this is exactly how it will look like. I'm on About Us page right now. This is exactly how it will look like. I'll click on the home page and I'll scroll down. I click on who we are. Okay, these are the information that are on the template. So you can go ahead and add other aspects of the template. You can change all these ones that was written here. Just carefully edit them as much as you can. Carefully edit them. Change all this information that are here. If you want a mailing list, you can go ahead and edit one or two things here just to be getting direct mails. Okay, these are how these things are done. Let's go to About Us page. Okay, this is the About Us page. You can write your story here, stories that represent your brand, stories that tell stories about what you do, the products you deliver on a daily basis. Okay, you can add pictures as well. Education aspect, the workplace. This is about what your company, what your chef business, what your hair business or vendor business is all about, how you take care of deliveries. Everything that has to do with this very of your business will be detailed in here. Just mind you, the is not going to have a custom domain name. You have to pay for a custom domain name. Okay, your website will be ready within seconds. You can even go ahead and add a blog aspect of your website. Okay, this is the news. The news represents the blog. That is day-to-day activities that is happening in your business. Every detail of what is happening, you can use it to build your SEO level, build your presence online, and educate your readers and people that visit your business to know what and what you do on a daily basis. Okay, these are the necessary information. You can go ahead and talk about include the chat, the contact page. It has to have name, surname, last name, send us another the message that the person is talking about and where your head office is. With this, your website, is super ready. Okay, so that is it for today. On the next time, we'll talk about building a free website using Canva. Thank you very much for listening.